Hello, Miss Thinker here. Your daily source for mind-blowing facts, forgotten history, and powerful motivation. Welcome, space travelers, to the grandest tour in the known universe. Fasten your seatbelts because we're about to embark on an epic journey through our solar system, visiting each planet in our cosmic neighborhood. Our adventure begins at the heart of it all, the star that makes life on Earth possible, the Sun. This colossal ball of hot plasma accounts for over 99.8% of the total mass in our solar system. Its immense gravitational pull holds everything together, from the largest planets to the smallest asteroids. The Sun's surface temperature is a blistering 5,500 degrees Celsius, and its core is an unimaginable 15 million degrees. It's a nuclear furnace, constantly fusing hydrogen into helium, releasing the energy that bathes our system in light and heat. We can't get too close, but from a safe distance, its power and majesty are truly breathtaking. Now, let's jet off to our first planetary stop, Mercury. This is the smallest planet in our solar system. Not much larger than our own moon, being the closest to the Sun, it experiences extreme temperature swings. During its long day, which lasts about 59 Earth days, temperatures can soar to 430 degrees Celsius. But with almost no atmosphere to trap the heat, nighttime temperatures plummet to a frigid -180 degrees Celsius. Its surface is scarred with craters, evidence of a violent past filled with asteroid impacts. It's a world of stark contrasts, a silent, scorched testament to the Sun's overwhelming power. Next up, we're heading to a world often called Earth's sister planet, Venus, but don't let that friendly nickname fool you. Venus is the hottest planet in our solar system, even hotter than Mercury. Its thick, toxic atmosphere, made mostly of carbon dioxide, creates an intense greenhouse effect, trapping heat and raising surface temperatures to a lead melting 465 degrees Celsius. The atmospheric pressure at the surface is over 90 times that of Earth, equivalent to being nearly a kilometer deep in our ocean. Covered in thick, yellowish clouds of sulfuric acid, Venus is a hellish landscape of volcanic plains and crushed rock. It's a powerful reminder that similar size doesn't mean similar conditions. Let's leave this inferno behind and head for a familiar, welcome sight, our home Earth. From space, it's a stunning blue marble, swirled with white clouds and dotted with green and brown landmasses. What makes Earth unique? Liquid water, a protective atmosphere, and a perfect distance from the Sun. This Goldilocks zone allows for the incredible diversity of life we see all around us. We have vast oceans, towering mountains, lush forests, and sprawling deserts. Our planet is dynamic, with shifting tectonic plates, changing weather, and a delicate ecosystem that supports millions of species, including us. It's a precious oasis in the vastness of space and a home worth protecting. Our journey continues to the fourth planet from the Sun, the famous red planet, Mars. Its rusty color comes from iron oxide or rust on its surface. Mars is a world of incredible geological features. It's home to Olympus Mons, the largest volcano in the solar system, 3 times the height of Mount Everest. It also has Valles Marineris, a system of canyons that dwarfs our Grand Canyon, stretching for thousands of kilometers. While Mars is cold, dusty, and has a thin atmosphere, evidence suggests it was once much warmer and wetter, with rivers, lakes, and possibly even oceans. This is why we're so fascinated with it. Could life have once existed here, or could it even exist here in the future? The rovers currently exploring its surface are working to answer those very questions. We now leave the rocky inner planets behind. To get to our next destination, we must cross the asteroid belt, a vast region between Mars and Jupiter filled with millions of space rocks, ranging from tiny pebbles to dwarf planets like Ceres. It's not as crowded as you see in movies, but it's a significant boundary in our solar system. And on the other side, we meet the king, Jupiter. This gas giant is a behemoth, more massive than all the other planets combined. It's a swirling, chaotic world of colorful cloud bands and storms. The most famous of these is the Great Red Spot, a gigantic storm wider than our entire planet that has been raging for centuries. Jupiter has no solid surface to land on. It's mostly swirling hydrogen and helium gas. It also has a faint ring system and dozens of moons, including the 4 large Galilean moons, Io with its active volcanoes, Europa with its hidden subsurface ocean, Ganymede, the largest moon in the solar system, and Callisto, one of the most heavily cratered objects known. Jupiter is like a miniature solar system all on its own. Moving outward, we arrive at the jewel of the solar system, Saturn. Famous for its breathtaking system of rings, Saturn is another gas giant, though not as massive as Jupiter. These rings aren't solid. They're made of billions of individual particles of ice and rock, ranging in size from grains of sand to the size of a house. They stretch out for thousands of kilometers but are incredibly thin, perhaps only a few tens of meters thick in most places. Like Jupiter, Saturn is a world of fast winds and storms, and it also boasts a fascinating collection of moons. One of them, Titan, has a thick atmosphere and lakes of liquid methane and ethane on its surface. Another, Enceladus, sprays geysers of water ice into space from a subsurface ocean, making it a prime candidate in the search for extraterrestrial life. Our tour is getting colder as we approach our seventh planet, Uranus. This ice giant is tipped on its side, rotating almost perpendicularly to its orbit around the Sun. Scientists think a massive collision with an Earth-sized object long ago may have knocked it over. This extreme tilt gives it the most bizarre seasons in the solar system, with each pole getting 42 years of continuous sunlight followed by 42 years of darkness. Uranus is a pale bluish-green world, its color coming from methane gas in its atmosphere which absorbs red light. It's a frigid, mysterious planet with a faint set of rings and a family of moons named after characters from the works of William Shakespeare and Alexander Pope. Finally, we reach the last official stop on our tour, Neptune. This deep blue ice giant is the windiest planet in our solar system, with supersonic winds whipping through its atmosphere at more than 2,000 kilometers per hour. When the Voyager 2 spacecraft flew by in 1989, it captured images of a massive storm system called the Great Dark Spot, similar to Jupiter's Great Red Spot, though it has since disappeared. Neptune's vibrant blue hue, even deeper than that of Uranus, is also due to methane in its atmosphere, but some other unknown component contributes to its richer color. It's a remote, cold, and stormy world with its own thin rings and intriguing moons like Triton, which orbits the planet backwards and spews nitrogen ice from its surface. Our journey from the blazing Sun to the windswept plains of Neptune has shown us a solar system of incredible diversity and wonder. From rocky, scorched worlds to magnificent gas giants and icy outer realms, each planet tells a unique story. We've witnessed extreme heat, crushing pressure, and unimaginable cold. We've seen towering volcanoes, ancient storms, and rings of ice. This is our cosmic backyard, a place of endless mystery and beauty. Thank you for joining this incredible voyage. Keep looking up and never stop exploring. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more adventures into the cosmos.